Hi everyone, thanks for joining me again for another unbox. Today we're going to be doing the 500 Neo Pro bundle. So this kit is available in two different configurations. There's just the Neo Pro and the Neo Pro bundle. We're going to open the Neo Pro bundle box today. I'm going to show you why it differs and why I would think it would be the better option to get. So we're going to go ahead, slide open the cover. Again, these LawMate boxes are designed quite well, so they present very well. Inside we have our 500 Neo Pro DVR there, you can see. You've got your camera input, your memory card slot, your start and stop buttons, charger port, all the sort of usual stuff. We also have a B18 camera, I think it is, with our screw-on clips. So the little camera there, you can have different size buttons for it to mount it onto your piece of clothing if you wanted to. Underneath the insert, we have our little holder pouch for the Neo Pro, our charging cable for the Neo Pro, our data cable for the Neo Pro, and various other screws, accessories, buttons, and 3M sticks for them. We also have our Neo Pro instruction book and our PV cam instruction book, along with our 16 gig micro SD card, which all the LawMate products from the spystore.com.au come included with. This camera kit is a pretty good little unit. It opens you up to purchasing a bunch of other products as well that you can get for it, so there's other additional cameras you can get for it. A couple of those are our B18 cone camera, and we'll go into a little bit more detail with that in another video, and our necktie, along with a handy little handbag that we've got for it as well. So just keep watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next couple of videos, and we'll go through the additional cameras you can get for it, along with some footage from them and how well they perform. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.